Did you know that 70% of agile transformation falls short of expectation? If you're leading the charge as a CEO today, you may be doing things that is holding your team back. That's why you're falling short of expectation. We will uncover that today and let's fix that together. In this video, I'll share the top 5 mistakes CEOs make when scaling Agile. More importantly, we will uncover how to fix them. We will have actionable steps so that at the end of the day, you will see the results that you're looking for. Hi, I'm Eric Salas. For the last 20 years, I've led Agile transformation for some of the most successful businesses. Today, I'm here to share proven insights tailored fit for leaders like you. Mistake number 1, not setting clear vision and goals. Many CEOs assume that once Agile is implemented, it's going to be easy and it will be free flowing. That's not always the case. This leads to a wasted effort, misaligned priorities, and frustration across the organization. The solution? Define your North Star. Communicate it across the organization so that you are rolling to that North Star. Everyone is moving to that same direction. Because if not, it will be a big headache for everyone. It will cause a lot of frustrations. So then again, the solution here is define your North Star. Mistake number 2, micromanaging teams. Agile thrives on empowerment and autonomy. Many CEOs fall into the trap of micromanaging teams, stifling resources, and that would be very, very dangerous. This creates bottlenecks, erodes trust, and, and discourages innovation, which are all the key drivers of agile success. Your role as a CEO is to empower your teams. You need to build trust and not stifle them. You need to encourage them and empower them, not hold them back. And at the end of the day, foster a culture of trust. Mistake number 3, ignoring the cultural shift. Agile is more than tools and processes, it's a mindset. When CEOs see this as a cultural shift happening as a mindset, this is the game changer. But when CEOs see this as another checklist, this becomes a problem. Without a cultural shift, teams have problems collaborating effectively. And this is where problems in Agile come into play. And the true potential of Agile remains untapped. And the solution? Lead by example. Embrace adaptability. These are the situations where Agile thrives. This will help us improve Agile and correct this mistake. Mistake number 4, scaling too quickly without building a foundation. Many CEOs are eager to scale Agile across the entire organization. They're too eager, but not building a solid foundation often leads to chaos. The immediate impact will be teams will become overwhelmed, processes will break down, and the transformation will just lose its credibility. And the solution: start small. Do a departmental approach, one department at a time, what works, and scale from there. That will be a recipe for success. Mistake number 5, focusing on the wrong metrics. The problem is too often CEOs focus on outputs like sprint velocity instead of outcomes such as customer satisfaction or business impact. This misalignment can often result in teams delivering the work that doesn't add value to the organization. The real solution here is to shift the focus to the metrics that matter so that it's aligned to organizational values. That's a solution. Focus on the metrics that matter. Let's quickly recap the 5 mistakes: failing to set a vision, micromanaging, ignoring culture, scaling too quickly, and measuring the wrong metrics. Addressing these will unlock Agile's true potential in your organization. If this video resonated well with you, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with your leadership team. Let's lead smarter and deliver better together. Thanks for watching. Always remember, agile success starts from the top. With the right mindset and actions, you can not just transform your teams, but your entire business as well. See you on the next video. Hi there. Welcome to the video. I'll be doing this a little bit different today. I'll be talking about the 5 mistakes CEOs make when scaling Agile and how to fix them. I've been going out the script over the last few weeks and trying to procrastinate and creating a video because, I need to memorize it. I need to do all these things. But really, it's really about being authentic. I wanted to share my experience with everyone here in the channel. I've been an agile practitioner for the last 20 years, and I've been, with successful businesses. A lot of them are Fortune 500 companies, and some in Canada, some in the US, some in the Philippines, and some of them in Europe. I just want to share my experience, and these are the experience that I've seen happen the last 20 years. So we'll start with this video.